come with me. Today I want to go through some spring gardening tips that will help you out in your garden. So there are things to do with each season, but the spring, there are some tips I've learned that help things along. So come on, let's go. One of the first things I do in the spring is put out all my little decorative stuff because, you know, that's important, right? All your little decorative stuff goes out. I also like to get rid of all the weeds that are in the garden because of course they're the first to come up, right? So today I'm going to pull these weeds so that they can't multiply on me. So I want to show you the difference. This part of the bed here, in the fall I took all the debris from the dead vegetables and I laid it on the garden, and you can see there's no weeds here, but look at all the weeds where I didn't have a chance to put any debris there. So in the fall, when you take your dead debris and put it back on the garden, it keeps the weeds down. And then from here, I'm going to take this debris, put it on the lawn, run my mulching lawnmower over it, and then I can take the nicely mulched material and put it back in the garden to give even more nutrients. So this is in my front garden, in front of the house. You can see the raised beds that I made. And then in between each raised bed, I'm going to lay cardboard. That's where I'm going to walk in between the beds. Then I've taken grass clippings and I've put it on top of the cardboard in between the beds. This does two things. The cardboard and the grass clippings give nutrients to the soil. They also keep the moisture in the soil. They also improve the soil. And your weeding is cut down enormously. I would say by 90%. So when I put the grass clippings, I only put about an inch. I don't put more than an inch because you don't want slugs and things growing in there. You do want it to dry out and start decomposing. So now these beds are ready to plant for the summer, but as you can see, that's what you get ready for your spring gardening. You know, so even though this method seems like a lot of work in the beginning, you're going to save yourself hours and hours and hours throughout the gardening season, and you're putting so many beneficial nutrients into your soil. It's all good. And I forgot to tell you a little side note before you're done. Soak it really good so that the cardboard gets nice and soaked, so that the wind doesn't blow all your hard work away. So I hope you enjoy this video on spring gardening tips, because you know what? One of my favorite things is you, and you have a great day.